Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
October 5, 11:05 America New York, oil prices set to rise as OPEC countries cut output. The move, which reflects a slowing global economy, is expected to raise oil prices around the world.
Daily FX Market News.
October 5, 10:45 America New York. U.S. dollar gains as better than forecast. Services PMI data backs case for hawkish Fed. U.S. services activity expands for the 28th consecutive month in September, easing less than expected, a sign that the economy remains resilient for the Federal Reserve to continue additional hikes.
Daily FX Market News.
October 5, 10:08 America New York. S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones forecast. Bear bounce or Fed pivot. Stocks put in a strong rally to start Q3 and already in Q4. Many are asking if rates have topped and stocks have bottomed, even ask inflation remains brisk and above target.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 5, 10:07 America New York, OPEC Plus agrees to biggest oil cut since start of pandemic. The production cut move will likely push up already high global energy prices and help oil exporting Russia pay for its war in Ukraine.
Global economy. October 5, 10:01 America New York. Deregulation is no shortcut to creating world-class industries. The Netherlands' amazing success in high-tech farming shows complying with EU rules can be a competitive advantage.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 5, 9:52 America New York. Fed's rate increases defy all the rules. Under Jerome Powell's leadership, central bank doesn't conform to any consistent formulas that economists have long used to explain its decisions. New York Times Business.
October 5, 9:45 America New York. U.S. gasoline prices follow crude oil higher. The national average gas price was $3.83 on Wednesday, far below the peak in June but still higher than it was a year ago.
Global economy.
October 5, 9:37 America New York. Sanctions. Nuclear strike would exclude Russia from world economy. The first ever bellicose use of nukes in Europe would require a corresponding economic response.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 5, 9:13 America New York. SpaceX, NASA set for latest crew launch to space station. The mission would mark the sixth time SpaceX has flown astronauts to the station for the space agency since 2020, and comes after NASA has moved to deepen its relationship with the Elon Musk-led company.
Daily FX Market News. October 5, 8 o'clock America New York. U.S. dollar faces support ahead of high-importance U.S. data. The dollar sell-off faces sizable support as upcoming U.S. data, services PMI and NFP, are likely to dictate short-term direction in USD.
New York Times Business.
October 5, 7:48 America New York. Is Elon Musk's deal to buy Twitter back on? Here's what we know. Elon Musk says he wants to revive his $44 billion deal to buy Twitter, but questions abound about financing and his ultimate plans. Open arms.
Marginal revolution.
October 5, 7:25 America New York, India. The revolution in private schooling. A whopping 50% plus of secondary school students in India are educated in private schools. Do private schools increase human capital or merely skim the best students? My paper, Private Education in India, a novel test of cream skimming, made a simple but telling point.
Digital finance.
October 5, 7:23 America New York. Charles DeHousie goes full DeFi at DYDX. Down the rabbit hole. Consensus's Asia head departs to help take DeFi to the mainstream corporate world. The post Charles DeHousie goes full DeFi at DYDX appeared first on Digital Finance.
BBC News Business.
October 5, 6:57 America New York. Average 2-year mortgage rate highest for 14 years. A typical 2-year fixed-rate deal has breached the 6% mark for the first time since November 2008.
Marginal revolution.
October 5, 5:44 America New York. But are you long volatility? As many of you know, when I confront mega pessimists I like to ask them, but are you short the market? Not once in my life have I heard a satisfactory rejoinder to this query. The last answer I heard was, I will be.
New York Times Business.
October 5, 5:37 America, New York. Philippines lottery draw produced 433 winners. Was it pure luck? The result of a lotto drawing in the Philippines has set off a national debate about randomness, probability, fraud and human nature. Bettors buying lottery tickets at a mall in Manila in 2018.
BBC News Business.
October 5, 4:12 America, New York. Elon Musk, Twitter and the mysterious X app. The story of Musk buying Twitter, and how it began with X, the everything app.
Marginal Revolution.
October 5, 052 America, New York. The market for property insurance versus climate change. That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column. Here is one bit. One of the classic rejoinders to worries about climate change is the claim that people can move out of highly vulnerable areas into safer areas.
Global economy.
October 5, 000 America, New York. China after the property boom. Can it rebuild the growth model? Xi Jinping can revive the economy by encouraging more consumer spending, but would lose some political control.
Digital finance.
October 4, 1956 America, New York. Gaji Gesa gains insights before people are paid. Could the Indonesian employee benefit fintech grow into becoming a digital bank? The post Gaji Gesa gains insights before people are paid appeared first on Digital Finance.